What's up, everybody? It's the Odd Man Donnie, and we're in Innisfil, Ontario. We are at Taste of the Grill. We got specially invited on an influencer day type thing, you know, to do some taste testing, to try some special new items that's coming up on their menu, and just to show, you know, showcase what Taste of the Grill has going on, you know. I guess they're Jamaican restaurants, so we're gonna see if the food's blessed. We're kind of late, so we're just gonna walk in right now, red carpet, and see what I want. See? Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and do all that stuff. So you know we're live. It's about to, they're starting right now.
At this time, I also want to welcome Mr. Yardman as he comes over here to introduce the stuff that he does over here. So please give it up for him as he makes his way.
How's everybody doing? Alright, so I can see everybody's enjoying themselves. A little food, a little drinks, my favorite type of thing. So I go by the name of Yardman Donnie, and I'm a food reviewer / content creator. Kind of new to the game, but you know, my personality is different. You know, I'm authentic. People would say, or like I'm just me. I don't be myself. I don't really do the staging thing. Whatever happens type of thing for me. So yeah, so I just do food reviews. I collab, that type of thing. I also heard the gentleman say he's from Jane and Finch, so you know I grew up in the Jane and Finch area too. So you know it's good to see, you know, the brothers we're standing out strong out here, right? So yeah, man, I'm glad to be here. Shout out to Georgette and Taste of the Grill for inviting me and my team. So we're just here to have some fun and taste some food. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys get a chance, follow me on socials, Yardman Donnie. That's YAWWEMONDONNY. Appreciate you guys. Taurus?
Next time you come, you'll get a part of it.
So this is our little speakeasy lounge, our social barber studio.
Sit.
Yes. Jacob, sit down.
Come here.
Sit down.
I want to get in your frame.
It's okay, alright.
Oh, this is so cute.
Jacob, just watch the faces. Come
This
here.
is a man's dream.
clean. You can't show the sneak peek. You can't show them, man. Sneak peek, guys, clean, fam. You guys know what time it is, man. Y'all, my daddy, we're closing out this with the grill. In this Ontario, the food is crazy. The food is great. I implore you guys to get over here, try it for yourself. Come see great tasting Jamaican quality food in Innisfil, close to Barrie. You guys know what time it is, man. Y'all, my daddy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click those buttons, man. Share the video. You know, show some love. Don't forget to comment too, man. Don't be scared. You know, let me know where you guys want to see me next. You know, click that membership button. Show some love. You guys don't know what it is, man.